Hello, my name is Dr. Elliot Hirshorn. I want to welcome you back to our New Life Moment, the second in our video series, encouraging you and providing you with tips, tricks, and changes you can make in your own life to renew your function and restore your quality of life. Today we're going to be talking about plastics and their effect on your body's metabolism. There's a certain chemical called a phthalate that's used in many plastic containers that can actually get into your system and wreak all kinds of havoc. There were some studies done on some teenagers with a phthalate called DEHP. If you look at the bottom of a container, it has the number 3 inside of a triangle. They contain the DEHPs, and it affects the body's ability to secrete insulin when you get sugar. So normally your body, when you eat foods, it breaks it down into sugars, you absorb them into your bloodstream, and then insulin is secreted so that your body's cells can use the sugar. When you mess up the insulin process, you become insulin resistant. That's also called type 2 diabetes. So patients and people that are exposed to these chemicals, it's been shown that they have insulin resistant tendencies and it can lead to diabetes. BPA is another chemical. This is a separate study that was done that shows that this chemical, which is used to line aluminum cans and other plastic containers, mimics estrogen effects, and it causes an increase in obesity and also an increase, obviously, in sizes and circumference of people's waistlines. So what you need to do is you need to try to avoid products that have BPA in them. Now, how do you do that? Well, the United States does not widely ban the use of BPA in products, so what you need to do is be a little careful and look at these products before you purchase them. A lot of companies that are taking the BPA out will specifically label, it'll say BPA free. So look for those plastic containers that say that. That will be more beneficial for you. Now these concepts, although the studies were done on teenagers, apply to people of all ages. So if you've got a chronic condition like fibromyalgia or thyroid disease or diabetes, or you're just trying to lose weight, exposure to these chemicals is going to make things much more difficult for you in the recovery process. It's affecting your metabolism negatively and it's going to hinder your success. So today's tip, avoid plastics that have these chemicals in them. And also another thing is when you're using things in the microwave, you probably will reheat them in plastic containers. Don't do that. Get a glass container or use a ceramic dish that you may have as well, because if you heat plastic, these chemicals leach out into your food and that's going to cause problems as well. So look for BPA free in the products you buy and don't microwave anything in plastic. My name is Dr. Elliot Hirshorn. I wish you all the best. Have a blessed day.